Hello boys and girls, welcome to this presentation. In this presentation we're going to talk about Unit 3. The question says, a water bottle in the shape of a cylinder holds 1 liter of water when full. Its height is 15 centimeters. Work out the radius of the water bottle. Now he said here that 1 liter equals 1000 centimeter cube, because we're going to use this in the answer. Now, first, let's draw the shape together so we can understand what's happening. Let's take this part to draw the shape. This water bottle here, make it like this, and then we connect the lines. Here. It has a shape of a cylinder. Let me put this here. Now, this water bottle has a shape of a cylinder, and the circular end here, let's make a line here, has a radius. We don't know what the radius is, so he wants you to find this radius, which is r. He wants you to find r. Now, to find the radius, we need to use all the things that we have. The first thing that we know that the water bottle can be filled with 1 liter of water. So this is the volume of the bottle. And we know that the length of the bottle is 15 centimeters, or the height of the bottle here is 15 centimeters. So we know the volume and we know the length. So after knowing the volume and the length, we're going to use the formula of the volume itself. Now let's write the formula of the volume so we can work here. Let's put this line here so we can work on both sides. Let's write the formula of the volume here. Volume of a cylinder or volume of a prism, it's the same. So volume, of prism or cylinder, because it's a circular prism, so it's the same. Prism equals what? Equals area of cross section, cross section multiplied by what? Good, multiplied by the length. Very good. So area of cross section multiplied by the length. This is the formula of the volume. So we have area of cross section multiplied by the length. This is the volume of the prism. We have to memorize this formula all the time. We're going to use it in each question containing variables or values like that. Now, we know the formula of the volume. Let's use it to find out the radius of the circle. Let's use the formula here. First, let's divide the worksheet place into 2 places too, here and here. Okay. In this part, we're going to find the area of the cross section, which is the circle, using this formula. Let's do it together. Now the volume of the prism is 1 liter, so it's 1000 centimeters cube. So we write 1000 here equals what? So 1000 equals the area of the cross section, which we don't know, we will call it A, and then multiplied by the length of the prism, which is 15 centimeters. we will write 15. Now, by this equation, we will know the area of the cross-section, which is the circle. How do we answer a question like this? Now, the 15 is multiplied here. So we're going to take it to the other side by dividing. Very good. So it's going to be 1000 divided by 15 equals A. So A equals what? We can use the calculator to answer a question like this. So because this is multiplied here, we took it to the other side by dividing. Now let's use the calculator to answer this. So 1000 divide 15 equals 66.6. Let's go back. So A equals 66.7 after rounding. So it's 66.6, and when you round it, it's 66.7. Now, this is the area of the circle, the area of this circle. Now, we know the area of the circle, so we can find the radius by using the formula of the area itself. Now, let's do it here. Now, the formula of the area of a circle is what? Very good. Area of circle equals pi r squared. Good job. We have to memorize this and work with it all the time. Now, we know pi, and we want to find r, and we know the area, which is here. So, the area, 66.7 equals pi, which is 3.14 all the time, multiplied by r squared, which we don't know. Now, in this equation, what do? Very good. We take the 3.14 because it's multiplied to the other side by dividing. Now, the equation will be like this. 66.7 divide 3.14 equals r squared. And it equals what? We can use the calculator to find this. So we take the answer and divide it by 3.14. And the answer will be 21.2. Let's go back. So the answer is 21.2. Now here I have r squared. So r squared is 21.2. How can I find r? As I showed you before, there's a button on the calculator. We use it to find r, or we use it to find questions like that. It's called what? Very good. It's called the square root. Now this button is like this. We push this button, and then we've put the number, which is 21.2. Sorry, it's big. And the answer will be, so r will be yes. So r will be yes. We use the calculator. We use this button and this number, and then we come back. As I told you, this button is called the square root, and it's the opposite of square. Now, we use this button, and then we put 21.2, and we push equals, and the answer will be 4.6. Now, let's go back. So, R will be 4.6. 6 centimeter. Don't forget the unit. Now, we found the radius, which is 4.6 centimeters. And this is how you answer a question like this. So you put the radius here, it's 4.6 centimeters. So what did we do? First, we draw the shape so we can understand the question. And then we used the formula of the volume to find the area of the cross-section by using the length and the volume that we know. And here we said that the volume, which is 1000, equals A, which is the area of the cross-section, multiplied by 15, which is the length. And then we took 15 to the other side by dividing, which is a part of the equation. Because it's multiplied, we divided. So 1000 divided 15 equals 66.7, and this is the area of the cross-section. And then we use the area of the cross-section to find R. We said that the area equals pi r squared. And then we said it's 66.7 equals 3.14 multiplied by r squared. And then we took the 3.14 to the other side because it's multiplied, we made a division out of it. And then we said r squared equals 21.2. And then we use the square root here, this one, to find r, which is 4.6 centimeters. And this is how you answer a question like this. Thank you very much for watching. See you next time.